University Avenue. Then use the right lane to continue on Front Street access.
Thank you! Finally I can go get some rollers! I was gonna turn left just to fuck.
Turn left on University Avenue. Then use the right lane to continue on Front Street access.
It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and when you walk down the street, say hello.
Use the right lane to continue on Front Street access.
Oh, the mistletoe.
Use the right lane to stay to the left.
Holly jolly Christmas this year.